Today we are going to see the related things in practical. Okay, students, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Audible.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me, tell me, is there any doubts in the library that theory concepts?
No,
Anybody
sir.
having doubts?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, good. So today we are going to see some more related practicals. Okay, very small chapter, students, but kindly understand. So you have to practice. Okay, then only you can understand clearly because in the exam they will ask some related questions. So everything I will explain you now. So kindly everyone take your classwork note and note down all the things. Okay. So first you should know the difference between these terms. Okay, these are very very important. Okay, so what is actually Python script? Okay, so this is somewhat different from other these things. Okay, so Python script means whatever the program we are executing and displaying the output is called Python script. That is a Python program or Python coding, a script. Everything is same. Okay, but function, that is a some sub program or block of code that execute independently. Okay, if you want to execute mean you have to call that particular function. Okay, so I will show you that on example also, so kindly listen. So what is Python script? You simply see any program, you can easily understand. See, a equal to 5, b equal to 99, and if you want to display the sum value, you can use this code. Okay, print sum equal to a plus b. Okay, this is called Python script. Okay, some simple example. Okay, but function is totally different. Okay, so this is Python script. Then I'm going to show you one Python function. See, the same thing you can include in the function. So you need this kind of syntax. That is normally you have to use the keyword def, and you can use the function name like anything, sum or add or whatever you need you can use, and inside you can use the values like this. Okay, x comma y. Okay, and inside you can give like z equal to x plus y. Okay, we are adding the same two variables, and we are going to return the value. Okay, not printing the value. So we can also print, but anyway this is independent. It not going to execute until you are calling. Okay, this is the function program. Students understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, so this is a example for Python script, and this is the example for function. Then what is module, students? What is module?
Collection
Group of
Yes, collection of functions is called module. So if we want to see, if you want to create any module means, so I'm going to use another function. See, def, I'm going to use a subtraction. Okay, the previous one we saw addition. So here the new function with the subtraction, same x comma y. Okay, colon, and here instead of addition operation I am going to use subtraction, x z equal to x minus y, and I am going to return the value. Okay, so this thing everyone can understand. So now if you combine these two functions, then it will become a module. Understood, everyone? So this is one independent function. Now if you add these two functions together means it will become an module. Students understood?
is
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this outer box, you can see here, this outer box is a module. This module contains two functions. Okay, so then what is package? Students, what is package?
Collection of module.
Yes, collection of modules. But one more important thing, that package is a directory that should contain that special file. What is the file name?
Windows underscore
Yes. Underscore init underscore
dot py.
yes dot
Dot py.
py. Okay, so don't forget this. This is a very important file. Without this file, you cannot say particular directory is a package. Okay, so see, there is actually no difference between package and library. Okay, both are same only, but the depending upon the size, it may differ. Okay, so now this is a package example for package. Suppose this package contain this module and one more module. Okay, but definitely it should contain this file. Okay, underscore init underscore dot py. Okay, then everyone know what is library. Library means that is a collection of packages. Okay, and framework means that is a collection of library is called a framework. Okay, so framework, so this is a very simple thing. It's a collection of multiple libraries called framework, and you should know only one example, at least one example. So the example is Django. Okay, D is silent, Django, Django. Okay, understood pa everyone? Any doubts up
Yes,
to
sir.
this?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. So then what we saw means regarding practicals, we already saw that different kinds of importing the statements. Okay, different kinds of importing functions or modules in our program. Okay, so now we are going to see those things one by one. So first, we are going to import all the functions in the module by using simply import math. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the syntax and the example. So kindly everyone note it down now. First, this is the
So
syntax.
one
That is a,
minute scroll up.
huh? Yes, tell me. What Indu? Tell me, ma. I didn't get anything. Tell again. Indu. Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
What is the doubt, pa? Anybody having doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we will continue. So this is a syntax import module. Okay. If you want to include one module in your program, you can use this. Otherwise, if you want to two modules in the same program, two modules means import module one and module two. That is you have to split it by comma. Okay. Module two. Okay. This is a general syntax. Now I want to show you the example. Okay, so kindly note down an example also. For example, import math. Okay, if you use this, you can have permission to use all the functions present in the math module. Okay, now you can include all the functions. Okay, so you already know a lot of functions in the math module like pi value, e, ceil, floor function, square root, power, sine, cos, tan, fabs. Okay, a lot of functions are there. Okay, so the second syntax. So if you want to include multiple module. Okay, so import math comma random. Okay, now you can include all the functions of math as well as all the functions of random module. Understood everyone? This is the way you can
Yes, sir.
include multiple modules. Okay, so then
Sir,
the next example. Yes,
sir, you can give Mac 1, Mac 2 also, no, sir.
math 1, math 2. Why math one?
That
So
like,
see, this is a syntax. See, this is a syntax means general format. Module name one, module name two. That's all. Okay. So see, for
yes, sir,
example,
yes.
I can give student one, student two. That's all. I cannot use Prasanna one, Prasanna two. Understand? Prasanna is one student,
Yes, sir.
Chiradep is second student. But generally, I can call it as student one, student two, like that. Okay. So you should
Yes, sir.
exactly give the module name. Okay. The next one method is you can rename the module name. Okay, for example, see, this is a syntax. The first one is syntax. Everything I am giving left side, these are syntax. Okay, import module name as new name. New name, whatever you need, you can give here. Okay. This is the syntax. For example, I'm going to use here import random. Okay. Why we need like this of rename means, so random is a bigger name. So if you are using multiple time means it will take some time. Okay. So if you want to reduce the coding size, okay, that is a that letter count also it matters. Okay, for random you can use like rd or rm or just r also enough. Whatever the thing you can use, you can use, right? So in this in the program, inside the program, you can use like this print. So normally what we will do, random dot rand int. Students, everyone remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Random dot
Yes,
rand
sir.
int we already use. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
here in this program we just renamed the module name. So instead of random, okay, instead of this random, now we can use just rd. That is enough. Okay, we just reduce that, renamed the module name. So we are going to use rd. Okay, understood? This is an example. Students, everyone understood? Raise your hands if you understood
Yes,
this
sir.
one. Up to this, understood means kindly raise your hands.
Sir,
Yes, Bala Sunil.
sir, instead of RD, if we give random, it will accept us, sir.
Oh, it will show in error. I will show you that examples. Everything I am going to explain you with the program. Okay, the real time example. Okay, just listen. Okay, so if you reach, if you renamed means that updated name only you can use. Okay, I will show you everything. So depending upon the version also it showing something. Okay, so thank you everyone. Lower your hands. So the next one, next method of importing, that is a, these methods can import the entire functions from the module. Okay, but if you need any selective functions means general syntax you see import module name. Okay, module, sorry, sorry. So from module, okay, from module, in which module you are specifying, you can specify here import from module import. You can include any function. Okay, function name. Understand? So if you need multiple functions, but selective, function 1, function 2 like this, you can give here. Function 1, function 2. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
I give
sir.
the example also now. So from math, okay, from math, I'm not going to include all the things, but I need only selective. Okay. So from math, I'm going to import only this pi value and ceil function. Okay, only two things. If you access other things like a floor function, square root, power means definitely it will show an error. Okay, so kindly everyone note down. This is the example of third type. Okay, fourth one. By the same method, you can also include all the functions by from keyword, from module name, import. No need to specify the function name here. Instead of that, you can use star operator. Star here represents all. Okay, students, from module import
Yes, sir.
star. If you specify star means you can
All of
import all the functions. Okay, but why, you can ask me doubt, sir, why there is two method, this one and this first one, why there is two method? Okay, so I will show you in the example. Kindly see when I'm executing, kindly listen everyone. Okay, so here from math, import star. Okay, star, if you give star means it will import all the functions from the math module. Okay, so all these left side are the syntax and the right side are the examples. Students understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So these are the examples and the left side are the syntax. Syntax means the general format because students sometimes in the exam they will ask you to write the syntax. Okay, and in the theory questions they will ask what is the difference between this statement and this statement or whatever. Okay, any two types they will ask in the exam. Differentiate these two types with the example. Okay, so you have to explain. So kindly everyone noted. Now we are going to
Yes, sir,
explain with
noted.
some examples. Okay, shall we go for practical?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So kindly note down. So all the things we are going to see, all these things. Right. Students, everyone noted? Raise your hands. I should wait or can I go? Raise your hands, students. Completed students, raise your hands. If you want, you can take the screenshot also, students. So this chapter is very small, but definitely this will help you to write the program. Okay. So importing functions or modules in our program. Okay, definitely these modules or functions not present in our program. We are importing from other thing. Importing means import, everyone know, right? ஸோ நம்ம வந்து வேற ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம்ல இருக்கிறத நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு கொண்டுட்டு வரோம். இதுதான் மாடியூல் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே இம்போர்ட்டிங்னா அதுதான். ஸோ லைப்ரரி கான்செப்ட் நம்ம என்ன படிக்கிறோம்னா நம்மளும் அதே மாதிரி நம்மளுடைய ஓன் மாடியூல் நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியும். எனிவே தீஸ் மாடியூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் எவ்ரி திங் ஆர் ஆல்ரெடி இன்பில்ட் இன் த பைத்தான். ஓகே, ஒரு பைத்தான்ல நீங்க வந்து ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ண வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்களே கிரியேட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஒரு ரேண்டம் வேல்யூக்கோ இல்லை மேத் கால்குலேட் பண்றது, அதாவது பவர் வேல்யூ கால்குலேட் பண்றது எல்லாமே அவங்களே வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதை நம்ம ஜஸ்ட் நேம் ரெஃபர் பண்ணி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். இதே மாதிரி நமக்கு என்னென்ன ப்ரோக்ராம் வேணுமோ நம்மளே கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து திரும்ப திரும்ப அதை யூஸ் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு கிரியேட் பண்ணி சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டிங்கன்னா அதை இன்னொரு ப்ரோக்ராமில் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், புரியுதா? இம்போர்ட்டிங்.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we
Yes,
are going
sir.
to see some program practicals. So kindly everyone note down all the things. Okay, so எல்லாமே நம்ம ஏற்கனவே யூஸ் பண்ணனது தான். பட் நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? ஏன்னா நீங்க வந்து பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணனா தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். கைண்ட்லி நோட் டவுன் அண்ட் பிராக்டிஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் you know this thing. Okay, import math. Okay, directly I'm going to use this command in the interactive mode. Okay, now I am working in interactive mode. Understood, students? Import math. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so see now if I am accessing this pi value directly, what will happen? Students, respond me. Pi value
Errors.
present in the math module. Okay,
Yeah,
but
right.
it will show an error. Name pi is not defined. Okay, but if you use this statement math.py, what will happen?
It will output, sir.
Yes, we have to refer the module name. Okay, module name is math, function name is pi. So now if you use means it will return you the answer. Okay, so kindly everyone listen everything. Okay, so why I am using this pi, why I am using math.py, where we are using like this. Okay, because we are having different kinds of importing statement. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, but now I am using this kind of statement. Okay, once again I'm going to restart the shell restart. Okay, so why I'm doing means it will restart so that everything will be deleted, that is a temporarily deleted. So again I'm going to import by using different statement from math. Going to import only the two things. Okay, what are the two things means pi and seal. Okay, whatever the I given in the example I'm going to use now. Students, everyone understood? Listening?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use only the two functions. Okay, so now instead of this math.py, instead of this I can use directly this pi. Okay, just listen. If I use pi, it will give the answer. Okay, that is the usage of this statement. Okay, here itself we referred. Okay, here itself we refer the from math we are going to import pi. Okay, we directly referred here itself in the same statement. Okay, so if you just use this name, it directly give you the value. But here in this method, it not going to show you the answer. It going to give the error, name error. Okay, so you need output means you need this method math.py. Okay, but here it actually giving the value. Okay, so then ceil function, ceil of 6.9. What is the answer, students? Students, what is the
Sir,
answer for 6.9 means?
7.
7.
Seven,
Okay,
sir.
the
Seven.
nearest greatest whole number. Okay, so it returns 7. Okay, now I already imported the math module, only the two functions. But now if you try to import floor function, okay, 5.7, what is the answer? 5.8.
Sir, error.
5.
Error, sir.
5 will be the normal answer, but here in this method we are not included that function. Okay, so it will show an error. Okay, understood? We referred only the two functions. We imported only two functions. So you have rights to include these two functions only. Okay, no other functions from the math module is allowed in this program. Okay, understood? But this method import math you are referring means you are permitted to use all the functions of the math module. Understood, pa everyone? The difference between two things.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
So kindly note down all the things, students. Definitely you have to note down the error. Compulsorily the errors only will help you. Okay, errors are the things that will make you to confident about these concepts, and it will show you what is the difference between these two methods. Okay. So import math means you can include all the functions. Okay, everything is allowed to use in your program. But in this method, you are selectively using particular functions. Okay, no other functions will be used apart from the referred one. Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then the next type we are going to see, that is uh, instead of selective, this method also we can use all the functions. Okay, what is the statement, students? By using from keyword, from math, for all the functions, what is the thing? Import
All.
Star.
star. Star is the operator that include all functions. Okay, so if you use this, okay, now the previously you got error for this one, right? But now you can see here floor of 5.8 showing an answer. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And one more thing. So in this method, if you are trying to use this method math.py, it's showing an error. Okay, because you directly included everything, no need of referring the module name. Okay, no need. You can directly use the function name. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
use directly the function names. Okay, this is the advantage of this method. From means you going inside. Okay, already you went inside, no need to refer the module name. Okay, understood, pa everyone? So these are
Yes,
the
sir.
differences. Kindly note down
Yes, sir.
everything in your note and மேக் நோட்ஸ். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு எந்த மாதிரி புரியுதோ அதெல்லாம் இது எழுதி வைங்க. ஏன்னா நீங்க ஞாபகம் இல்லாம எரர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்கும்போது கண்டிப்பா தப்பா பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு எப்படி புரியுதோ அதை எப்படி எழுதுங்க. இந்த மெத்தட்ல இந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா எரர். ஓகே, எரர் ஃபைண்டிங் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்ல இப்படி குடுத்தாங்கனாலும், இது வந்து எரர்ன்னு நீங்க ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, பட் இட் லுக் லைக் நாட் அன் எரர். ஓகே, பட் இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க இம்போர்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, நீங்க மாடியூல் நேம் ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணக்கூடாது. அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் எவ்ரிஒன்?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then the last one, no, the multiple modules. Okay, multiple module நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். That is a import random, comma statistics. Okay, statistics. So ரெண்டு மெத்தட் நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும், statistics. So இது ரெண்டையும் நான் யூஸ் பண்றேன் நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராம்ல. Okay, import random, comma statistics. Okay, so now all the functions are included now. Okay, so now you can directly use random dot rand int. Okay, this is a function present inside the random module. Okay, so now if you give like this 3 comma 25, okay, it will show an answer. Okay, that is a function present in the random also we can use inside the program. And the function present inside the statistics. Okay, statistics dot mode. What is the meaning for mode, students?
Sir, highest
It gives the unique values.
Middle of the values.
No.
Sorry.
highest frequency.
Yes,
Highest.
most appeared value, most number of occurrences. Okay, here which value occurred most times?
4.
4.
4
Four.
is the value that appeared 2 times. Okay, remaining everything 1 time. So your answer will be 4. Okay, what is this? Okay, I didn't use the bracket. So inside the bracket, function means definitely you have to use this bracket. Inside you can give the list of values. Okay, I forgot to give the bracket. So now it will return the answer 4. Understood?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
Yes, sir.
this program we included 2 modules, and now we can use any functions present in the this both of the module. Okay, everything is eligible, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So now
Yes.
the one more method, that is renaming. Okay, renaming, import statistics as st. Okay, because statistics is a some bigger name, so I want to use smaller thing. So I am using this statement for renaming the module. Okay, so now previously we used this one. Okay, statistics.mode. Okay, but now you no need to use this one. Directly you can use st.mode, and inside you can give like this. What is the answer now?
9.
9, sir.
9 is the most appeared value, so it gives you 9. Okay, see st.mode also returning the answer, right? So this is the way you can rename the module. Understood? Now I'm going to use the original name statistics. Now it will show what happens. See, it's showing the error. Original name showing the error. Understood? You because you changed the name as st. Understood? Everyone, Balasunil, you asked the doubt,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, kindly note down this. Okay, kindly note down and show the error. Okay, errors are very, very important, students. Program errors are the most important things. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So kindly note down all the things I am going to display from the first 4 different methods of importing. First, this is a normal thing we already learned in the module in class 11. Okay, so by this method you can include all the functions, but you have to use this method, module name dot function name. Okay, ஸோ இம்போர்ட் அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா அதோட மாடியூல் நேம் கொடுக்கணும். ஓகே, இந்த லாஸ்ட் மெத்தட்லயும் பாருங்க, இம்போர்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் ஆஸ் எஸ்டி இப்படின்னு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா நீங்க அதோட மாடியூல் நேம் கொடுக்கணும். ஓகே, அதாவது லாஸ்டா என்ன ரீநேம் பண்ணீங்களோ அந்த நேம் கொடுக்கணும். பட் ரிமைனிங் ஃப்ரம் அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து டைரக்ட்லி யூ அக்சஸ் டு த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ், டைரக்ட்லி நீங்க ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கே போயிட்டீங்க. ஸோ நோ நீட் டு ரெஃபர் த மாடியூல் நேம் இன்சைட் த ப்ரோக்ராம். ஓகே, டைரக்டாவே நீங்க ஃபங்க்ஷன் நேம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்?
Yes,
அதே
sir.
மாதிரி இந்த செலக்டிவ் மெத்தட்ஸ்ல நீங்க எதை செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்களோ அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ரிமைனிங் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் அந்த மாடியூல்ல இருந்தாலுமே உங்களால பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவா? நீங்க பர்டிகுலரா இது செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, இது மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு தேவை அப்படின்னு செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஸோ ரிமைனிங் நீங்க ஏதாவது ட்ரை பண்ணீங்கன்னா தட் வில் ஷோ an error. புரியுதா? தென் திஸ் இஸ் another மெத்தட் ஸ்டார். ஸோ இது எதுக்குன்னு நான் சொல்லிட்டேன். இதுவும் இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டும் ஒன்று தான். பட் என்ன யூசேஜ் அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க மாடியூல் நேம் ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஃப்ரம் கீவேர்டு வந்ததுனால நீங்க பாருங்க டைரக்ட்லி ஃபங்க்ஷன் நேம் கொடுக்கலாம். நீங்க வந்து அந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல மாடியூல் நேம் கொடுத்தீங்கனாலும் எரர் காட்டும். நீங்க வந்து அதே மாதிரி எல்லா ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸ்டார் கொடுக்கும்போது எல்லா
Voice is not
ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸும் யூஸ்
clearly
பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
audible.
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதா? எவ்ரிவன்
Yes,
அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Students, kindly raise your hands if you having doubts. Raise your hands. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Very
No,
good.
sir.
Now, kindly note down these things. You have to practice today itself. Okay, then only you can understand. Because we know already 3 modules: math module, random module, statistics module. Okay, kindly use any one of your favorite module, do some practice and understand everything. Okay. So these are built-in modules. Okay. So now I'm going to show you some important things. See, I'm going to restart this shell again. So see here, import math. Okay, so first you have to do this one, import math. And if you need help about this statement, okay, that is a module. What are the things present inside the module? Okay, these are the extra commands. Students, kindly note down this. This is not going to come for any exam, but this will help you to understand everything. Help math. Okay, so if you give means you see this statement, now you have to double click this. Okay, 268 lines are there, so you have to double click. So math is a module. So now we are going to see what are the things present inside the module. So module you already know, that is module means collection of functions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So now
sir.
we are going to see all the functions present in the module. Okay. So I'm going to double click. See here. So the module name is math. So they given a description. That is a what about this module name. It going to access the mathematical functions. Okay. So see what are the functions present in the module. So lot of functions are there, but we know only 10 things. That is like cos function, ceil. Okay, these are things we only know, but the remaining lot of functions are there. Okay, cos function, sine, fabs, and you can also see factorial function. Directly you can use the factorial. No need of any coding. Okay, directly you can give factorial of 5 means it will return the answer. Find x factorial like this. Okay, floor function. Okay, these are a lot of functions present inside the math module. Okay, like this you can see all the modules. Okay, and you can see the constant value, data given, e value, pi value. Okay, these are values they assigned. Okay, whenever you are referring this value, it will access here and it will show this value only, 3.14159 like this. Understood, pa? Students, what is module?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is inbuilt. Okay, that is a Python interpreter itself having this kind of module, and that module having these functions. Okay, but in this chapter, what we are going to do is we are going to create our own module. Okay, whatever the things you need, you can create. Okay, so functions எப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தோம், நம்மளே கிரியேட் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ்லாம், அந்த மாதிரி மாடியூலே நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியும். மாடியூல்னா என்னன்னா இதே மாதிரி தான், ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம்ல நாமளே உள்ளுக்குள்ள நிறைய ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். சரியா? ஸோ அது எல்லாமே நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம். இன்னைக்கு ரிமைனிங் வேற என்ன பார்க்கலாம், இங்க பாருங்க டைரக்டரி. டைரக்டரி அப்படிங்கறது ஒன்று பார்க்கலாம். இதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு விஷயம். ஸோ I'm going to import the statistics. So statistics, what are the functions you know, students? Not statistics, random module. Random module, what are the functions you know?
Sir, random, randint, rand range.
Yes, very good.
Random,
Three functions.
random.
Okay. So now I'm going to use the another function, see directory, dir of random. So directory, I already told you, the other name of folder is called directory. Okay. So package also directory. Okay. These are other names. See what are the things present in the random folder. Okay. So you know that rand int, rand range, random. Okay, these three things only you know. Okay, but the remaining all are the functions present inside the random. Okay, files. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Lot of things are there, but for our syllabus we are going to see only these three. Okay, if you give help of random means you will know all the functions with the description of every function, what happening in the every function. Okay, so it will show exactly what answer it going to return. Okay, everything with the example it will show you. So everything present in this Python shell. Okay, you can get help. Understood, students? So kindly note down this
Yes, sir.
command, directory of module name. Okay, but before that definitely you have to import that module. Import that module name, then only you can give this one directory. Other command is help command. Okay, help command you see before, this one help. Okay, that will show you the commands, what are the functions present in the module. Okay, suppose for example if you are using the different name, if you want to access this one, but there is some spelling mistake or something you are giving. Okay, so instead you are not giving any arguments. Okay, that time also it will show an error. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that time you can get the help by using these statements. Okay, definitely it will show you. So these are the things will help you to understand all the functions. Okay, so now another thing, that is a library and a package. Okay, so for this I'm going to show you my system. Kindly see, everyone's system have these kind of folders. So students, is that visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
see,
sir.
I'm going inside the C drive. That is where I installed the Python software. Okay, I'm going inside C drive, program files, and inside there are a lot of software folders are there. But you see the name Python 38-32. This is the version I installed. So I'm going inside. Okay, so there are a lot of functions. Okay, but you see here the library folder, lib. Students, everyone visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
library. So inside, you see again there are lot of functions. Okay, lot of functions. So here these are the functions we are seeing in the modules. Okay, so for example, um, okay, I will show you the So pickle model, kindly everyone remember this pickle we are going to use in the file handling chapter. Okay. Then a lot of modules are there. See the statistics module. Okay, a lot of modules, a random module. Okay, everything present here, right? So now what I'm going to show you is, so if you take any folder inside here, everything is a package. Okay, so package means definitely that folder should contain which file? Students, package.
Module.
Module.
Which file? Which file is required to make folder as a package?
Hyphen,
Sir.
hyphen, init, hyphen,
Hyphen,
dot.
Hyphen, not
hyphen.
hyphen, underscore.
Yes,
Underscore,
sir.
underscore,
underscore
init,
init
underscore dot py.
underscore dot py.
Okay. So see here a lot of things are there. So I'm going to use any file. So okay, this is one of the package. See here inside underscore underscore
Init.
init underscore underscore py. Okay, py is a file name. So this is the file definitely you should have. Okay, then only it will be considered as a package. Okay, so like this you can take any folder that contains this file. Okay, then only it will make that file as a package. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these kind
Yes,
of
sir.
packages, these collection of packages now making this outside folder as a library. Understood? Collection of packages is called the
Yes.
library. Okay, this is the concept, but definitely we are working with only the functions and the modules. Okay, package and library are the folders, just a folder to hold everything. Okay, but package you should have that particular file, that is a underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. That is the file definitely you need. And you can see this is another concept tkinter. This is a deleted portion of our syllabus. And SQLite, there is a SQLite 3, you already know, right? SQL,
Yes, sir.
yes, you see here. Okay, so these are the some things that help you to interface with other things. Okay, the packages, the important things. See the XML, HTML, HTTP. So we can include any functions with any concepts with Python. Okay, we can integrate. Okay, but we need some interface, so we need this kind of functions that should integrate both Python and the other application. Understood, pa everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So kindly understand everyone that what is function, module, package, library and framework. Okay, there may be any folder without that file underscore underscore that will be considered as a normal folder, that's all. Okay, but that folder contains that file, special file underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py means that folder is considered as a package. Okay, so kindly remember these things. And the collection of packages is called a library, that's all. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts up to this?
Sure.
Students, any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So kindly practice these things. So next class we will see the user defined module. Okay, we are going to create a module. Inside we are going to create lot of functions, and those functions will be imported to other programs. Okay, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதா? நம்ம வேற ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் வேற ஒரு மாடியூலை கிரியேட் பண்ணி அதை இன்னொரு ப்ரோக்ராம்ல நம்ம இம்போர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். அது எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கறது நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்?
Yes, sir.
எஸ்
Yes, sir.
எஸ். So that's all. Thank you. That's all about today's class. Kindly practice and thank you everyone. See you in the next class.